Welcome this video would get launch idea gas. A stood beautiful gas need a launch that just as readable and sometime by one of the switch do not quick match the Rustic charm your aim for make your owning would get launch cannot only save money but give your project that handcraft feel that make it stood out would buy build a gas launch or divide away enhance or a smart backyard fence. There are main simple yard classic away to switch it give wood launch you can craft yourself. We explored different type of wood get launch tool and material you need step by step introduction and create type to design one that both functional and style. Then build your open wood get launch. Build your awning get launch often more than just customize hand make perfect craft their owner. Cost effective scroll craft wood or our leftover material. Customization possibility match the gate launch style with your gate design. Processional that knock like open a gate launch that you build an enthusiast by heart. Reprintable to fix and trim without need of buy replace place material and tool you need. Before we dive into idea there a build tool child you need for most wood launch material. Hard and dryable softwood, wood drawing, wood gum, sandpaper, finish oil, wood stamp, and experience gum ware. Basic type of wood get launched depend on the look and functional event. Here are some inspired type of wood get launch you can make. Simple switch launch design. A Pulley wood arm attached to the gate post swim into place to block free the gate. How to make it? Cut a smart board. Hold one end and switch if long to the gate print. Soft is switch but do fail. Super easy to build, can be made of soft wood. Add a smart block as the stop to the launch. Do not scroll, touch, faint. Silver both launch. Design harmonious wood price salt into the knot or a spring attached to the post. How to make it? Swelling into the both attached to the gate. Shape by celled price that fits. Create a catch both into the post when the scroll can log in. Pro very skilled. Good for long get. Use worm or a little on the side surface on movement. Drop by launch. A tape price of wood set assessment both get launch or benefit the get and the post. How to make it? Cut the stud bed. Add wood both on side of hold the bring, then it's drop into price. Pro Sand and Classic. Work for double gate. Agreement both single involved so the bring style. Even if the gate move and launch. Level attach launch. Design a minimalist arms left. Then your pulls or pull a free the gate. How to make it attach? Upright left on the inside of the gate. Then your pull down on pull up is move a letter arm out hour of the away. Pro fun of use more success than a simple scroll launch. Type convenient with a simple weight scroll if you want to the set automatic decoration touch of your wood lounge. Design a rustic management or natural inspired canvas palette. Use wood bring touch to create decoration board. Print match the canvas to get color. Add an access. Add classic for need print for the old world look. Elements natural rule of heart and touch. Step by step. But a simple scroll launch. Thank you for watching this video.